How to make pancakes. The ingredients you'll need are 1 medium free-range egg, 1 tablespoon of store-bought or homemade Greek yogurt, 1/4 of a cup of full cream milk, 1 tablespoon of butter, and 1/4 of a cup of self-raising flour. This is the method. Crack your egg into a small metal bowl and whisk it. When it's done, it should look like this. Then add your milk in small amounts, mixing constantly. This is what that should look like. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put your butter on a saucepan and you're going to put it over medium heat until it melts. Now you add that to your mixture and mix it. Next add your flour and mix that in. Lastly, add your Greek yogurt until it looks like this. Put your saucepan over low heat and then put a little bit of your mixture on top. It's ready when bubbles appear. This is what it looks like when it's flipped. This is my second batch. This one is probably the weirdest one. I got 2 little dots with that as well. Now I'm just going to make some big ones so we don't waste the rest of the batter. And this is what it looks like when it's finished. Don't forget to season it in your own way. You can do it with anything. I did it with icing sugar and with cinnamon powder. Please come back for more videos and like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!